Hi crafters, welcome back to my channel, Margaret Knob Designs, where paper meets creativity, or at least I try to be creative. In this collab, this is hashtag Christmas 365. I get that wrong every time, I'm so sorry. What I did is I finished off a card kit that I had gotten from Kim's Card Kits, and this was a little bit of a different card kit. It has more than 12 cards that you can make really in the kit, but what is different about it is that the images that are on here are colored in. You get the opportunity to color in on your cards. And so I don't do a lot of coloring. I am not an artist in the least. I have a hard time making stick people. I think the only thing I can make is a daisy, you know, love me not, love me. I think that's the only flower I can actually do by hand. So I tried this out, and what she did with her kit is that she colored these in with her Copic markers, and these images were on they were on watercolor paper. I will tell you, I tried to use my Zig markers for coloring on that because they were on watercolor paper, but they were awful. They just did not work. So the medium that I use most often when I'm coloring is actually pencils, because I feel most comfortable with that. I'm not really an alcohol marker person. I would like to be. I just have not had the time to actually spend on doing it. So be kind to me when you look at these cards and let me know what you think. I think that they were really cute images, and I think that Kim did a great job on this card kit. I still have more items that I can put together. I just want to quickly show you everything that came in the kit. She gave you actually an extra sheet or two with the sentiments and with the images on it. There's actually two more images that I practiced on that they didn't look very good. They were from my Zig markers. They were awful. So, but these were the images that I worked on coloring in. I thought they turned out pretty good with my pencils. I also got paper and strings and some sequins. This is the leftover paper, so I still have some more cards I can make. Some of the leftover ribbons and small pieces. So I'm going to use those to make additional cards. And then actually I have from the kit all the envelopes for all the cards, and I have 3 more card bases because you get 12 card bases, but I made 9 cards for this video. So I thought these turned out pretty fun. I was happy for my first time really doing any kind of coloring. I was good. I worked on these while I was up on vacation over the 4th of July. But the one thing is I forgot to bring my punch. And so I thought, well, I'll punch the edges of the cards like she had done when I get home, no big deal. Well, because things are raised, some of them I can't punch, or I'll punch later on and see what I can get done, and I'll show you what I mean by that. So the design of the cards were all made so that there is this border punch along the side here. So this one, because this is all flat, I didn't raise anything up. I could do the punch along. Oh, I did it on both sides. I didn't even realize I was doing that. But I did it along the side here, and I thought it turned out really cute. It looked really nice. But if I go to this card, I had a hard time because I've got this raised up here, and even some of these with some of the bulk on there. But like I said, I'm going to go back and take a look at it and see if I can't go back and get some of these punched. So here's my first card. I just went through and colored in the sentiments that there were, and the images themselves, and these little bits of bling. I believe that, yes, all of these were a part of the kit as well. So fun, very fun. And I did add to this bling a little bit from out of my stash as well, but I thought this was a really cute little card. Then we've got our Christmas trees, and I raised this up with some of the foam tape, added one of the strings and some of the little gems. And here we've got a Christmas cactus, or a cactus type card with season's greetings and our ribbon on there. And the designs of the background of these cards were, I believe they were all the same, which actually was really fun because you spent the time coloring and doing these images while I was watching TV or doing some other things. And then when I put these cards together, they were all the same pattern, and they went very, very quickly as far as putting the cards together. So here is another one. I put foam tape underneath here, and so this is up a little bit on this side as well. And all of them I just left plain in the center. And actually, here's this little guy. This was the one that I practiced on the other one that I had gotten with him in there. It was so awful. It looked so bad. So I was like, I'm not even going to color this image in pencil. But I think he turned out pretty good. Not too bad. But I thought he was a cute guy with the red and the red heart and little heart here. And I put a little pink on his cheeks, rosy cheeks. And then we have our angel with our Noel. And like I said, I'm going to go back here and see if I can't get some of those punched. I thought that looked really cute. And then this little gal, I thought she was so cute. I love her little elf shoes. And with the sentiment, with the, not mistletoe, but ivy. I thought it looked really cute. And we've got another gal who's got a wreath on her head, gold stars, and our ribbons on those. And then finally our Santa. And what is a Santa card without a candy cane background? So I like this guy. I thought it turned out pretty good. I hope you like my cards. Again, I am not an artist. I'm not a colorist. Just trying to do the best that I could do with coloring. You'll have to let me know in the comments. Do you think that I did okay? Does it look okay on camera? Or does it look like I'm a kindergarten colorer? And it's okay. I'm not going to take any offense. It's just wonderful to actually hear the truth. And I'm not asking for compliments just to get compliments. I'm really asking for the truth. So let me know what you think of the coloring. I do have one more set that I'm going to go back and do some coloring on, that I have another kit of hers that is a coloring kit. So if you like these types of kits, take a look at www.kimscardkits.com. She's got different seasons and different amounts, and while they are a little bit more expensive than some of the Echo Parks or Simple Stories, they are really worth it because so much of it is already done for you, and it makes putting it together so very simple. So I love this. Christmas in July. Watch for it. We'll have some Christmas in August, and just continuing on for the rest of the year with Christmas, because we've got to get prepared. So if you enjoyed this video, please like, please subscribe. Really means a lot to me knowing that you're subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a great day and have a great summer. Thanks.